Do you want to know how you can allow access of files and permissions in Photoroom? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can give the permissions and allow access of files in Photoroom. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Tap on Start from Photo and you can see that it will allow Photoroom access to photos and videos, so you must give the access. Now tap on Select Photos and Videos and you can see that you have now allowed the access. So go ahead and tap the photo you want to allow, tap on it and you can see that it is scanning. You can see that now you can start editing this photo using Photoroom. All of the edits are available, so go ahead and scroll and you can see that you can edit these photos quite easily and it looks absolutely gorgeous. This way you can allow access of files in Photoroom and start editing it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.